Dear friend, once again welcome to Open Talk. In this video, I'll show you how to write SEO friendly website blog post by using Rank Math SEO plugin. What is Rank Math SEO plugin? Maybe you have used Yoast SEO plugin before. I mean this one. But trust me, Rank Math is the best plugin I have used in my whole life. You will get all those things having on Yoast Pro SEO plugin in free Rank Math SEO plugin version. Because Rank Math is totally free, you don't have to pay any money for using Rank Math, and they have all the features available in Yoast SEO plugin, and besides they have some extra facilities you can find, extra feature, extra things you can find on Rank Math. You can see there, especially the interface, it's awesome. Trust me, it's awesome. It's just awesome. And don't worry, in this video I'll go through some of the basic things you need to know for using Rank Math SEO plugin. And especially they have good SEO analysis score. They will show you SEO analysis score, and they have some automatic features like image optimization. Suppose if you forget to write all text for your website blog post image, it will automatically add some all text regarding your post. And they have more focus keyword you can set. Like in Yoast plugin you can set only on keyword. In Rank Math you can set multiple keyword for your blog post, and everything you will find is more helpful than Yoast SEO plugin, trust me. So you can download Rank Math SEO plugin from here and upload it on your website, or you can just go to your WordPress dashboard and click on plugins and add new plugins, then search for Rank Math, RANKMATH, Rank Math. I have already installed Rank Math SEO plugin. Now all you have to do, just like this one, click on install now. You will find this button here, then finally click on active. You can see it has a lot of positive review, more than 700 positive review. It's new, it's just going viral over the internet because it has all of the things in free version. There is no pro version. You can do all things for totally free, and day by day Yoast SEO is going down for that. Okay, let's see how to write SEO friendly blog post by Rank Math SEO plugin. Okay, it's my website. I have written some blog post here. I'm gonna show you some of the basic things you need to know to make SEO friendly blog post. If you have a blog site, I hope you know quite well how to write a blog post SEO plugins. But beside those, I'm gonna give you just short briefing how to write those things. Okay, click on edit post. Before saying those things, I don't wanna forget that actually there are some things you should know if you want to make your post viral. I mean, if you want to rank your post on Google search engine or on another search engine, you should have a YouTube channel. I think, trust me, you should have a YouTube channel, because no matter it's monetized or not monetized, you must have a YouTube channel. It's not a big deal. Trust me, if you have a YouTube channel and if you can upload a video, making video is not a big deal. You can make your video without your voice, just record your screen. And if you can embed this video into your blog post, like this one, you can see I have embedded my YouTube videos in my blog post. Actually, in this post I made a review about a scam site. Actually, they are a scammer, online scammer, and also I made a video about same things. I have written those things and I said those things in my video. If somebody found like it's more good to see practically than reading post, they will click on your video. Okay, you can see this is my bounty.co. This is so if you can do that, like if you can embed your video inside your post, trust me, your post will getting higher rank in Google search engine. Trust me. Like if somebody search by this post name or keyword, they must find your video or your blog post, and there is a possibility to get higher rank if you can embed a video inside your post. Trust me. And other things, you can share your post in different social media platform like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or other things. But trust me, among those social media platform, I found Reddit is one of the best and strong social media platform. Like okay, let's search socialbounty.co review. Yeah. Okay, you can see my post, socialbounty.co review. You can see it's learningbean.com, my website. It's got higher rank in search engine. Also my video, you can see, got higher rank. And not only this, a Reddit post also got higher rank here. So you can see my post on reddit.com. Okay, it's my post. So that's why two things you need to do on your post, that is, must embed a YouTube video. Maybe it's not your video, you can find someone video and you can embed that video in your blog post. It will be better if you have your own channel. And trust me, if you can do that, and someday your channel will be monetized and you can also earn from your channel. Like you can see my channel is monetized channel, you know, so I'm earning from my YouTube channel. That's good. And share your post on reddit.com beside Facebook, LinkedIn ID, or Twitter, or anywhere. If you did not update your WordPress, then you can find your Rank Math SEO plugin settings below your post, like here. Okay, but you can see my SEO plugin settings over the right side. You can see it's here. Like I got 88 score. It will say what do you need to do on your blog post. It will say all the errors and all the things you have done. If there is any error, if there is anything you need to improve, it will say that. You must have a keyword. You can write more keyword beside this. Like if I want, I can write social bounty.co scam. So it's good. You can write more than one keyword in your blog post. So must write your keyword inside the title, inside the paragraph, inside the first paragraph, inside the alt text of any images, and must be in the blog post URL. You can see in my blog post URL, and in SEO title, SEO meta description, your keyword should have on those things. And your blog post must have more than 500 words. So beside this, I have a tips for you. You can use grammarly.com. It will show you, suggest to you all the grammar errors having on your website. Okay, so dear friend, I hope you liked my videos. If you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get more update.